friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn to make this puff stitch square pattern. You can use this pattern for cushion cover, table cover, bed cover, or even for table mats too. This is very easy to make, and the techniques that are required to make this pattern are chains, single crochet, double crochet, and you are going to learn how to make puff stitch through this pattern. You need a yarn of your choice and a hook according to the thickness of the yarn. I am going to use a hook of 2.5 mm. We are going to begin with slip knot, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have to go back to the first chain, insert the hook in, yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is slip stitch. Now foundation ring is ready. Chain 1, 2, 3, which counts as a double crochet. Chain 2 for chain space. Yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, pull through 2, pull through 2, double crochet 2. Chain 2 for chain space, double crochet 3, chain 2 for chain space, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 2 for chain space, 12, chain 2. Now we have to join the stitches into the third chain, 1, 2, 3, third chain. So insert the hook in, pull through 2. Now into this chain space of 2, insert the hook in, pull through 2. Chain 1, 2, 3, which counts as a double crochet. Into the same chain space of 2, double crochet 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have to go back to the first stitch, insert the hook in, pull through, chain 2 for chain space. Into the next chain space of 2, double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to go back to the first stitch, pull through to make petal with puff stitch, chain 2 for chain space. So complete the round by making 10 more petals into 10 chain spaces of 2 across the round, and we will meet again when this round would be completed. When the round is complete and we have completed making 12 petals with puff stitch, we have to make chain 2. Now we have to join the stitches into this chain space of 2 with slip stitch. Now into this chain space of 2, chain 3, which counts as a double crochet 2 and 3, chain 1 for chain space. Into the next chain space of 2, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 1 for chain space. Into the next chain space of 2, double crochet 1, 2, 3, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the corner of the square. Yarn over, into the same chain space of 2, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3. Chain 1 for chain space. Into the next chain space of 2, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1 for chain space. Into the next chain space of 2, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1 for chain space. Into the next chain space of 2, double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the corner of the square. Double crochet. 1, 2, 3. So complete the round following the same pattern, and we will meet again when this round would be completed. When the round is complete, we have to join the stitches on the top of the fourth stitch with slip stitch. Now on the top of the fourth stitch, chain 3, which counts as a double crochet. On the top of the next stitch, double crochet 2, double crochet 3 on the top of the next stitch. Into the chain space of 1, double crochet 1. On the top of next 3 stitches, 3 double crochet. So 1, 2 and 3. So there are 7 double crochet. Chain 1 for chain space. Skip these 3 stitches. Into the chain space of 5, double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now go back to the first double crochet, pull through to make a petal with puff stitch, chain 2 for chain space. Into the same chain space of 5, one more petal. So we have to make 5 double crochet. This is the 4th one and 5th. Go back to the 4th stitch, pull through, chain 2 for chain space. Into the same chain space of 2, 2 more petals with puff stitch. So this is the 3rd petal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go back to the 4th stitch, pull through, chain 2 for chain space. Now 4th petal, so double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go back to the first double crochet, pull through, chain 1 for chain space. Skip 1, 2, 3 stitches. We have to make 7 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3 on the top of the 3 stitches of the previous round. Into the chain space of 1, double crochet. 1 on the top of next 3 stitches, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. So complete the round, and we will meet again when this round would be completed. This pattern is going to appear like this when the round would be completed. You can use this project in bigger projects like blankets, baby blankets, cushion cover, table mats. Thank you so much.